Model 2017 MITSBUISHI Fuso Canter 3C13-25 Ulez compliant, simple fix automatic, bargain smiling face with hearts Ulez compliant. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 98,318. MOT, the 13th of October 2024. Engine, 2998 cc 4P10T2. Transmission, automatic, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Automatic gearbox first and reverse, has a fault for clutch solenoid valve which will need replacing, all plugged in and shows the same fault. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, full service history, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, reversing camera. EU status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.